Python itertools, takewhile, multiple predicates. Suppose a generator yields the below tuples one by one, from left to right. And suppose I'd like to iterate as long as the predicate is true. Let that predicate be some yielded underscore value, 20. Then the iterator will stop by 3, 5, 15. I can do it with, say. Question: how do I write a similar expression with two predicates? Suppose I want which, in this case, stop by 4, 6, 12.
You can access two elements of each tuple with index.
Since everything in itertools is lazily iterated, and you are using and for two predicates, you can simply use two takewhile iterators. Sometimes I find this more readable than putting both predicates in a single predicate function or lambda. It also makes it so that you don't have a single huge one-liner if you need to add even more predicates in the future.
If you have additional predicates and need to access all the elements of your tuples, you can also unpack them in your lambda function. This also asserts that all your tuples have length 3. If you get a tuple with 4 values, it fails hard, as opposed to continuing silently. Obviously only useful in some contexts.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.